So you've bought for yourself a brand new ride-on lawnmower. But what do you do with the old one? Coming up soon, I've got something fun but serious to do with the old clunker. So this is the answer. Take your ride-on racing. G'day Mark, how are you?
Not too bad, sorry mate.
Yes. So what got you into ride-on lawnmower racing?
Well, it's a really cheap performance sport. Most of us got mower shops, most people have ride-ons, so it's a really good interest that most people get into, which is really good.
Now we're in Launceston, northern Tasmania, and this is the second outing for the ride-ons. Any modifications to a standard lawnmower?
Well, this here one is fairly standard, other than being lowered. Fairly standard engine, geared up slightly, not allowed to have suspension, so it doesn't matter how fast you make them go, they're not going to handle too well, so it's always going to be very close racing.
Willie, what do you get out of riding one of these, mate?
Just a bit of fun, you know.
Yeah?
Teach you how to do anything else in the weekend.
That's right. So you into motocross and all that sort of stuff? Go-kart racing or car racing?
I'm into motocross, but I don't actually race in motocross.
Yeah.
I just got a motorbike of my own.
And you got a bit of a thing for speed? How do you reckon you go today?
Yeah, it shouldn't go too bad.
Yeah? Awesome.
For a win, but
yeah,
give it a good crack.
So we're talking a lot of fun here, but there is a serious side to it. Of course, there's also the safety aspects as well. What's one of the safety features? It's a must-have if you're going racing.
Well, mainly you've got to make sure everything's covered up, as in exhaust systems and chains, and also have a dead man switch.
So if you come off it,
do come off.
Awesome.
Stop on you.
Why do you do this?
Pure fun.
Pure fun, you love it?
Pure fun. You
Yep.
know, I mean, we own a mower shop, but it's a natural sort of progression from that. But yeah, at its very worst, it's absolutely hilarious.
It is.
You know, so get out there, have a go, and you can do it without, costing you an arm and a leg. It's only just started down here, and it could go big places. But really, it's just good fun thing to get out and do.
Now, engine size. Are we talking something like 65 horsepower or something? Or
well, this here one is quite quick, and it's 18 horse, standard ride-on engine. But you do see right through the 900cc motorbike engine.
say that again?
900cc motorbike.
900cc in one of these.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Seriously, I wouldn't like to be on that. I really wouldn't.
Yeah. It still comes down to being able to get that power to the ground.
Yeah, that's right.
So it doesn't matter how much horsepower, you've got to have traction, you've got to be able to. And the biggest problem is, because the tracks are so rough, it's getting them to hold together.
Yeah.
Because as you're racing, everything wants to fall off.
Well, I mean, racing still applies to this, whether it's speedway, whether it's short circuit, whether it's out of Simmons Plains or anything like that. The basic rules still apply, don't they, to racing? Of course, you just said you've got to have traction. You've also got to get to the line. There's also things to consider, like the dust and tear-offs on your helmet, all that sort of stuff.
And most of this has got no tear-offs.
I must say, Mark, when I came out to do this today, I was actually chuckling a fair bit to think, what? People racing ride-on lawnmowers, but now I find out it's a pretty serious thing.
Yeah, and it's Australia-wide, it's huge in America.
Yeah, massive.
And hopefully it'll get more traction here in Tasmania. It's already large in Queensland and other states.
Yeah.
And there's a set regulations that everybody runs through.
Yeah.
And slowly but surely we will come under those regulations as well.
So, Mark, if somebody wants to get involved in this, maybe, like I said earlier, they've bought a brand new ride-on and they don't know what to do with their old clunker. If they want to get involved, how do they do it?
Perfect. Just lower them down, speed them up a little tiny bit, get them in contact with somebody that's always doing it, but you can through Facebook and that. There's plenty of avenues to find it. Information is very easy to find on the net.
So for you, what do you get out of it personally?
A lot of fun, because I don't have to ride it.
Yeah, you don't have to ride it, okay. And also, it also comes back to the community thing of people just gathering together, talking about the same like-minded thing, and just having a whole lot of fun.
That's it. Bring the barbecue and just have a good time. That's what it's all about.
So there you go. If you're looking for something to do with your old clunker, your old lawnmower, take it right on mower racing. It's so much fun, but it can be serious. Now, if you like what you see, make sure you drop a comment down below and subscribe to the channel.